Hi there! Look at the fun and frolic all around. The Lido Fair has started, and amidst the funfair and entertainment, the trickster is playing his tricks. Let's observe and enjoy his tricks. Did you know that there are tricks to learn trigonometry ratios as well? Let's understand a short and easy method to fill the trigonometric table of standard angles. The first row constitutes the standard angles, which are 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. The first column constitutes the trigonometric ratios like sine A, cos A, tan A, cot A, sec A and cosec A. Now let's start completing the sine ratio in the second row. The first step is to write the numbers starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 in each column. The next step is to divide each of the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 by 4 and write its simplified form. And the last step is to take square roots of each value. To find the value of sine ratio, the simplified value of each ratio is taken. The first trigonometric ratio is calculated so easily. Now let's find the other ratios quickly. The next step is to reverse the order of values. In other words, to pick the values from the extreme right column and substitute them in the cosine row starting from 0 degree. As each value is picked up and substituted in each column, we get all the 5 values of the cosine ratio. The next row is the tangent ratio. Values of tangent ratio are taken out by dividing values of sine ratio by values of cosine ratio. To find the value of tangent ratio, the simplified value of each ratio is taken. Note that tan of 90 will be undefined as 1 divided by 0 is undefined. Now let's find the other 3 ratios quickly. The next step is to reverse the values. In other words, to pick the values from the extreme right column and substitute it in the cotangent row starting from 0 degrees. As each value is picked up and substituted in each column, we get all the 5 values of the cotangent ratio. Now the last 2 rows remaining are the secant and the cosecant ratios. The secant ratio is the reciprocal of cosine ratio. And the last row, cosecant ratio, is again filled by reversing the values. In other words, to pick the values from the extreme right column and substitute it in the cosecant row starting from 0 degrees. This completes the trigonometric table for all ratios. See you next time.